Hi guys, so today I tell you that how we could avoid suspension from Redbubble. Okay, so my many Redbubble accounts suspended, that why I am experienced. Try to tell you that the prime reason for suspension on Redbubble, the 50% suspension you can revoke automatically when you upload your original handwork. No take any photo or stock photo from Adobe stock, Shutterstock or anything else. Okay, 50% save your account if you upload original work, and 50% save by trademark name like Adidas, Lockheed Martin, Boeing. Avoid those name using any icon, not use any name, not use tag title. You should be suggested tag title from ChatGPT. You just said copyright free. Okay, done.